Hiya, Georgie. What a nice
croissant.
Do you want it back?
Yes.
Cotton candy, hot dogs, and...
Croissant.
Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Mine too.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Take it.
Croissant.